Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Psychosocial. My name is Atanu. Well guys, I think you have seen one of my other videos where I talked about that we all need skill, but before that we need to have a will, right? So please, if you haven't seen or watched that particular video, please do watch it. Now today I want to talk about something which is related to skill. As you guys know that we have two different type of skills available. One is called technical skill, another one is called soft skill. So technical skill, I believe each and every one of us is aware of it. It's all about technicalities, right? Technologies, and of course some courses or applications that we need to know. So we can easily go for any institution or maybe nowadays online platforms to learn about all those technologies in different ways, and we can also earn certificates at the same point of time, right? And those technical skills are, what should I say, inevitable nowadays. It's pretty important to know, right? But I'm not focusing on that technical part today. One more very important point for all of you. I think you guys will be able to understand that soft skill is the skill which will help you to stand out from the crowd. As you know, we all have different type of skills. As I mentioned to you, that different type of technical skills. So say for example, we have learned the same technical skill from an university or from an institution or from any online platform. So we are going to deliver a product to the customer with the same manner because we are going to be using the same skill. So some or the other, we all know that skill, right? It's pretty common. Then how will you stand out from the crowd? Your soft skill will help you to stand out from the crowd. Maybe you are selling that product or providing that service to your customer, but what you can do, the way you can demonstrate that product to the client, maybe other person will not be able to demonstrate in that manner. Maybe it's the same product. So demonstration is important, and right there, in order to demonstrate effectively, you need to have great soft skill. Then what's the difference between technical skill and soft skill? So there are different definitions, there are different applications, or there are different explanations available. I'm sure you guys can check it on YouTube videos, and you guys will be able to understand and able to grasp a lot of things. A lot of different even professors I have seen, some teachers have explained it through some videos, but I'm going to simplify. That's what I always do, right? I know you guys probably have understood that my theory or my approach is to simplify everything. So I'm going to simplify that as well. So let's talk about technical skill. What is technical skill? A skill which can be measured by an application or tool. Simple. And then what is a soft skill? Soft skill cannot be measured by any application or tool. So it may sound pretty strange, right? But that's the concept. I think nobody has talked about this before. You cannot measure soft skill, but you can measure technical skill. Okay, so since we can measure technical skill, I will just keep that part aside for the moment. I'm going to be focusing on soft skill and why is it so important. See, as you guys already aware that some or the other we are delivering something to the customer, right? And what we are delivering, assignment or projects. For that reason, we need typical skill set. The technical skills will definitely help us to provide that kind of support or service to the customer. That is pretty normal. Now, then why soft skill is so important? See, soft skill is all about behavior. It's all about your gesture, your mannerisms, punctuality. So all these things are pretty important nowadays. Why? Because it's not only about delivering product or completing an assignment. It's about how you are delivering, how you are communicating, how you are projecting, how you are behaving with the clients, and how you are showing your gestures. We all are human beings, so those things are very, very important. Sometimes we do not, or rather we tend to put those things away for sometimes. Maybe we focus more on the product with the assignment, but as you know, that maybe underrated product can be sold with a very good package, with words and marketing techniques, with a bigger price. And why that is being sold with a bigger price? Because of soft skill, not because of the technical skill. Because you have made the product, but deep down inside, product is probably not up to the mark the way you intended initially. But considering the virtue of soft skill, you are able to sell it out and you're getting some revenue out of that. So that's the beauty of soft skill. I'm not saying that you should always do that, right? No, you should not create an incorrect product or underrated product and then sell it. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying the importance of soft skill. I'm saying what soft skill can do for you, right? So that is the reason, please focus on acquiring or gaining knowledge about soft skill and understand the value. And for that reason, as I always say, communication is the key. So you need to communicate more with people. You need to speak in front of people. If you're scared of talking to people, maybe within a group or maybe within your team members or whatever it is, remember that whenever you are scared of talking about it, I personally believe, try to communicate with your friends, maybe with more than 2 or 3 friends at one particular time, and try to explain them the same thing that we are trying to explain to others. I'm sure we'll be able to get rid of that scare. It will be very, very beneficial for you. Okay, so try to do that and try to understand all these soft skills. And remember, soft skills are considered as your competencies, and competencies even cannot be measured via any tool. So for that reason, you got to be very, very careful and confident whenever you are talking to your customer or clients, because your customers, as I said previously, rather you remember, your customers do buy your words. That means your soft skill comparing to the technical skill or the product initially. Of course, both are pretty important and both are somehow the other correlated, but somehow the other in this particular world, when relative heights, we can easily understand that soft skill is so very important. Probably sometimes it's more important than your technical skill. So having said that, guys, if you have the same opinion like me, then please do subscribe to my channel to support me, and please help me to bring in some new ideas, some new topics or contents for you guys, so that you guys can learn something at the same point of time. Those things can help you to grow. That's my intention. So thank you very much for watching today's video. Hope you have a nice weekend ahead. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.